Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to extract just the numbers from an alphanumeric column in Power by using Power Query Editor. If you've ever been stuck with codes or IDs like A123, X12Y34, or C89D and needed to pull out only the digits no matter where they hide in the text, this method is the fastest, cleanest way to do it. By the end, you'll have a numbers-only column automatically stripped of all letters and ready for reporting or analysis. So let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to load your table into Power BI. To do this, go to the Home tab and click on Enter Data. This is really handy if you're working with a small set or just testing things out. You can enter your sample data, maybe something like item code with values like A123, B4567, C89D, or any other codes you're dealing with. After you've input your rows, hit OK and Power BI will drop this data as a new table into your workspace. Next, it's time to open up the Power Query Editor. Back on the Home tab, you'll see a button labeled Transform Data. Click that and then Transform Data again, and it will launch Power Query Editor in a new window. This is where all the real shaping and magic happens, so if you haven't spent much time here yet, don't worry, it's more approachable than it looks. Now let's add our custom column, the real star of this process. Head over to the ribbon at the top and click on Add Column, then select Custom Column. A dialog box will pop up inviting you to write a formula for the new column. Here's the secret sauce. You'll want to use the formula text select item code 09. Let me break that down for you. The text select function basically says, hey, Power Query, comb through every character in the item code and only keep the ones that match what's inside those curly brackets. In this case, 09 tells Power Query to keep any character from 0 through 9, that's every single digit. Don't stress if your codes are alphabet soup. This formula sifts through it all and brings back only the numbers, no matter where they appear. When you click OK, Power Query will calculate a new column for you. I like to call it numbers only to keep things clear. If you look across your rows, you'll see that A123 now shows up as just 123, X12Y34 becomes 1234, and so on. It doesn't matter if the numbers are at the start, middle, or end, the formula finds them. One short heads up, by default the numbers get returned as text, not as numeric values. For many reports that's perfectly fine, but if you plan to sum or calculate with these numbers, you'll want to change the column type. That's easy enough, just click the ABC 123 icon in the column header and select Whole Number. Power Query will handle the conversion for you. At this point you're done, no DAX required, no fussing with complicated regex formulas or manual edits, everything handled inside Power Query. This trick works for any alphanumeric string you throw at it and is a huge time saver for cleaning up messy data. So there you go. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI challenge you'd like to see solved. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Power BI tips. Thanks for watching and happy querying.